Hi, welcome. If you grew up in a very dysfunctional household, you were not well cared for, you felt neglected most of your life as a child, well, listen, a healthy whole breakfast plays a role in your self-mothering journey. Welcome everybody, my name is Chef Yasmin and welcome to my series on eggs. Monsieur, dames, bonjour et bonsoir et bienvenue dans ce segment ça. Nous pourrons parler des œufs. Le petit déjeuner. Now, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and in this series, we're going to be focusing on 4 techniques to elevate your breakfast game. I hope you're all ready. Yes? Okay? Now, breakfast means that you and I are break fast from having slept 8 to 10 hours the night before. And that first important meal is crucial because it refuels our brain and our body after an overnight fast. Very, very, very important. So a healthy whole breakfast, not donuts, right, helps us kickstart the day and we are ready to go. To my Haitian audience, déjeuner très très important parce que après nous fin dormir pendant 8 à 17 ans, li aide nous recharger corps nous avec cerveau nous. D'accord? Now, eggs have been a mainstay in our diet for centuries, and eggs became a staple for breakfast because really for several reasons. Number one, they're still somewhat affordable in America, and also because our ancestors used to collect them early in the morning. So that meant they were fresh and available for that first meal in the morning. Monsieur, dame, c'est important, c'est très populaire le matin. Et puis tout, yo nan régime nous pendant longtemps parce que imaginons yo pas trop cher et puis tout, ancêtres nous te kon ramasser yo et bien gabonné le matin. Ça veut dire que était toujours frais et disponible pour premier repas le matin. Okay? When most people refer to eggs, they usually mean chicken eggs. But I want to show you that other eggs like duck, okay, can also be used in the kitchen because variety is the spice of life. So I also have here some brown eggs and some popular white eggs. I really did my best, by the way, to find us some turkey eggs and some quail eggs, but I was nearly impossible. So if you're a farmer somewhere, or if you can hook me up with some turkey eggs, please reach out to me on social media because I would love to taste some turkey eggs, all right? All right, let's get started with technique number 1. The difference between soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs is just the timing. Now, despite the word boil in its name, eggs cooked in a shell should never be boiled. Let me tell you why. Have you ever noticed that green circle around the egg yolk after you've cut it in half? Well, that is the sign of an overcooked egg. And in fact, that's actually the iron looking at you and I eyeball to eyeball. It's not harmful at all. It's just simply that the egg has been overcooked. The proper way to boil an egg is to cook it in hot water like this. Monsieur, dame, zè bouilli pas supposé cuit nan de l'eau bouillie, li supposé cuit nan de l'eau chaud. Sinon, nan cuit li trop. To boil an egg, you want to turn the heat off. Place your eggs in the hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on what you're going for, soft, medium, or hard boil. Put the lid back on and let it sit. Once you drain the egg, you're going to transfer them in an ice bath like this and let them cool. Here we go. Here is our final product. There's no struggle with the peeling. And my goal actually was medium soft, okay? Perfect yolks every time. And over here, I have it paired with some fresh strawberries and some avocados. I love to drizzle my eggs with a little bit of avocado oil. Yes, yes, yes. Fresh black pepper is so much better than the store-bought because the one you get in the store, right, could have been sitting on the shelf for about 6 months. You don't want that. All right, I am going to pour myself some freshly made passion fruit and orange juice. Ooh la la, it smells so delicious. Let's dig in. It is is so good. So good. Breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and liking. I'm Yasmin, and I will see you next time.